Rabbit love carrot. But this, not normal carrot. No chew. No dirt. This carrot live in internet, is shiny digital carrot. This carrot is NFT, non-fungible token. Big words, yes. What is token? Is token like magic coin? Yes, but not by snack. Is special code thing. Live on blockchain. Say this thing online, belong to this rabbit. Is like digital key. No key, no own. When rabbit get token, is like get digital badge, not just picture. Token hold data say who own, when got, what. Thing is, other rabbits see, blockchain, say it true. This rabbit owner, token cannot copy, cannot fake. Because blockchain too smart. If try fake, all bunnies see. SO token is not just shiny thing. Is contract, is lock, is ID card. Say this. Pixel carrot, not yours, mine, fungible mean can trade easy. One carrot, other carrot same thing, but non-fungible. No, no. That like carrot, painted by artist bunny, one of a kind. You know trade that. How rabbit prove digital carrot is real, special. Use blockchain. Big internet book, all rabbit can see. No rabbit can erase. When rabbit mint NFT, it write carrot in book. Say this shiny carrot belong to this rabbit. Some bunny screenshot. That just copy picture. Real NFT have token. Token say is real, is yours. Subscribe or carrot vanish from your wallet.